So I have the single horn, the dual horn, the quad horn, and the quintuple horn, all available at impacttrainhorns.com. Which one do you think is going to sound the best? First up is the Ryobi single horn. I'm using Ryobi, but it doesn't matter what tool brand you use. They all sound very, very similar within each style. Next up, we have the Milwaukee dual horn. Same with the single horn. They are our cheapest options if you're looking to get a train horn, but they are still extremely loud. Next up is the DeWalt quad horn. This is our top selling style and tool brand, the DeWalt. It sounds amazing. You can order any of our train horns with or without a remote. It's a bit cheaper if you don't care for the remote and you just want the train horn. If you do want the remote, you can use the train horn from up to 160 feet away with one push of a button. Here's the quad horn. Last but not least is the quintuple horn. This is our most expensive train horn. It sounds the most like a train horn, and it's the biggest one we got available. Here it is. Which one do you think sounded the best out of these four? It's extremely hard to really understand what our train horns sound like over your phone or through your computer. What I can tell you is the dual horn sounds the most like a truck. The single horn sounds like a cargo ship or a semi-truck. The quad horn sounds like a train. I think it sounds the best. And the quintuple horn sounds like a train is right on your butt. Let me know in the comments which one would you buy, and if you do have one, which one did you order? Check us out at impacttrainhorns.com.